Are you struggling to build wealth because of beliefs you've been told your whole life? What if I told you some of the most common ideas about money are flat out wrong, and they're keeping you broke? Today we're exposing 32 myths about wealth that are holding you back. These beliefs might feel true, but they're sabotaging your financial future. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to break free from these lies and take control of your financial destiny. Myth number 1. You need to be lucky to get rich. How many times have you heard people say they just got lucky? The truth is, wealth isn't about luck. It's about preparation and consistent action. Most successful people create their own luck by staying prepared. Myth number 2. Debt is always bad. Not all debt is evil. While high-interest debt can be crippling, good debt, like a mortgage or a business loan, can help you build assets and wealth over time. Avoiding all debt might be keeping you stuck. Myth number 3. You need a high income to build wealth. A big paycheck doesn't guarantee wealth. It's what you do with your money that matters. Even a modest income can lead to wealth if you prioritize saving and investing. Myth number 4. Investing is too risky. Fear of losing money keeps many people from investing, but the bigger risk is doing nothing. Inflation eats away at savings, making investing essential for long-term wealth. Myth number 5. The stock market is a game for the rich. You don't need to be rich to invest. With tools like fractional shares and index funds, anyone can get started with just a small amount. The sooner you start, the better. Myth number 6. Real estate is the only safe investment. While real estate is a solid option, it's not the only path to wealth. Stocks, bonds, and even starting a business can provide equal or even better returns depending on your goals. Myth number 7. You can save your way to wealth. Saving is important, but it's not enough. Without investing, your money won't grow fast enough to outpace inflation. Wealth is built by letting your money work for you. Myth number 8. If you work hard, you'll be rich. Hard work is important, but it's not the only factor. Strategy, knowledge, and leveraging opportunities play a much bigger role in building wealth than just clocking long hours. Myth number 9. Millionaires are born, not made. This is one of the most harmful myths. Studies show that the majority of millionaires are self-made. They weren't born into wealth. They built it through discipline and smart financial choices. Myth number 10. You need to cut out all fun to build wealth. While budgeting and cutting unnecessary expenses are important, depriving yourself entirely can lead to burnout. Building wealth is about balance, not misery. Myth number 11. You have to wait until you're older to build wealth. Wealth building isn't reserved for those in their 40s or 50s. Starting young gives you the advantage of time and compounding, but it's never too late to start making smart financial moves. Myth number 12. The rich are just greedy. This belief creates resentment and blocks your own success. Many wealthy people give back generously and create jobs and opportunities. Shifting your perspective can open new doors for you. Myth number 13. You have to do it all alone. Trying to navigate wealth building without help is a huge mistake. Mentors, financial advisors, and even online communities can provide guidance and support to accelerate your progress. Myth number 14. More education equals more wealth. A degree can open doors, but it doesn't guarantee financial success. Skills, execution, and persistence are what truly create wealth. Myth number 15. The government will take care of my retirement. Relying solely on pensions or Social Security is risky, as these systems are unpredictable. You need to take personal responsibility for your financial future. Myth number 16. You can't build wealth without a family inheritance. Most wealthy people build their fortunes from scratch through hard work and smart investments. Waiting for an inheritance could cost you valuable time. Myth number 17. Budgeting is only for people who struggle financially. Even millionaires use budgets to grow and protect their wealth. A budget isn't about limits. It's about directing your money with purpose. Myth number 18. you need to start with a lot of money to invest. You can start investing with just a few dollars through tools like fractional shares. Small, consistent investments can compound into substantial wealth over time. Myth number 19. It's too late for me to build wealth. It's never too late to start building wealth, no matter your age. The key is making intentional, consistent changes that align with your goals. Myth number 20. You need to follow every financial trend. Jumping on trends can lead to financial losses and stress. Stick to proven strategies and long-term goals for sustainable wealth building. Myth number 21. Wealth will make you happy. Money can enhance your quality of life, but happiness comes from within. Focus on building a life you love, not just a bank account. Myth number 22. Money can't buy freedom. Financial independence allows you to make choices that align with your values. Money gives you the freedom to spend your time and energy on what truly matters. Myth number 23. It's better to keep money in cash. Holding too much cash means losing value to inflation over time. Investing grows your wealth while keeping up with or outpacing inflation. Myth number 24. You can't build wealth during a recession. Recessions often create opportunities for those who are prepared. Smart investments during downturns can yield significant rewards later. Myth number 25. All debt is a sign of financial irresponsibility. Not all debt is bad. Some, like a mortgage or student loans, can be an investment in your future. The key is managing debt wisely and avoiding high-interest liabilities. Myth number 26. Investing requires extensive financial knowledge. You don't need to be an expert to start investing. Index funds and ETFs are beginner-friendly options. Start small and learn as you grow. Myth number 27. You need to sacrifice happiness for wealth. Building wealth doesn't mean you can't enjoy life along the way. True success is about finding a balance between financial growth and personal fulfillment. Myth number 28. All rich people are selfish. Many wealthy individuals use their resources to create opportunities and support communities. Viewing wealth as a tool for good can inspire your own journey. Myth number 29. Success comes from avoiding all mistakes. Failure is a natural part of learning and growing. The key to success is how you respond to and learn from your mistakes. Myth number 30. You need to own a business to build wealth. While entrepreneurship can accelerate wealth building, it's not the only way. A high-income career paired with smart investments can be equally effective. Myth number 31. Cutting back on small luxuries is the only way to save. Skipping your daily coffee won't make you rich on its own. Focus on reducing big expenses like housing or transportation for a greater impact. And finally, myth number 32. You need to wait for the perfect time to start. There's no such thing as the perfect time to begin your wealth-building journey. Starting today, no matter how small, is always better than waiting. Now it's your turn. Which of these 32 money myths have you believed? Or is there another belief that's been holding you back? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your story and help you break free. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more wealth building tips. I'll see you in the next one.